I'm coming from Mexico. I became an immigrant, got here to this country, and God put me in front of very good people and actually introduced me to the library before I even had kids and got married. I got my own library card. I discovered through that I could get my GED through the library. So I done my high school online with a library, and I finished my high school on 2021.
Los Angeles County is 35% of the population is immigrant. LA County Library is dedicated to helping all our residents, including our immigrant residents. In 2016, we had a new program, Citizenship in a Bag.
I took the bag with me, and that's how everything started. So the bag is literally like the name says, Citizenship in a Bag. You have everything in there. It says books, applications that you need to fill that are in, the flashcards, that is the win.
In the bag, we have instructions on how to complete the application for naturalization. We've included materials direct to the exam and studying and, learning about the United States. We have at least almost 200 kits circulating right now. They've been checked out at least 3,500 times.
I became U.S. citizen June 2022. It was like a great feeling, like, when they say, congratulations, you're gonna get a letter in the mail so you can come and be sworn in and become a U.S. citizen. And at that moment, I think I froze for a good second. I was stumbling and literally in tears because just the fact that you think back and say, wow, I did it.
I'd like to invite everyone to come to one of our libraries. We have 85 libraries in our system, spread out all over the county. Our county library website is lacountylibrary.org.
When somebody tells you, you're not only now a citizen of this country, but now you have rights with that. Nobody can take it away from me.